You've got one of the oldest industrial companies in existence, and you're asking to do something that's not being done within the organization. Connecteam and Saint Gobain, it's a vital asset, and it's an amazing tool to allow me to do the job that I do to support the employees that support our company. Saint Gobain is in over 75 different countries, 160,000 employees across the globe. And we have employees making everything from shingle, siding, lab.
Before Connecteam, the way that we communicated, everybody had got the wrong schedule.
You could have people come in when they shouldn't have been coming.
Everything was manual. Time off requests were manual.
We had a form that they could fill out, but a lot of times those forms didn't get filled out. They would just send you a message, call you on the phone.
Communication that may have happened to the rest of the team members during the week wasn't happening on the weekends, and they were just getting the information secondhand.
Left a lot of questions to be answered by operators, so not very efficient at all.
With Connecteam, we've been able to take a process such as communicating to everybody about the town hall meeting times from multi-days to where we can have it done within 15 minutes.
Being able to use it on my mobile phone, not having to be at a desktop or laptop to be able to send out any communication.
In this area, there's tornadoes. To be able to know I can send a note and check on the plant, are you guys okay? I can make contact with them, they can make contact with us. It makes you unbelievably productive in the way you want to communicate.
As soon as I get the run plan in, I can punch it in and they'll know their schedule.
All of our employees uses Connecteam for their time off requests.
It's very visual, you get it, it's easy to go to. So if they're at home and they want to request vacation, they can just pick up their phone.
The workflow goes to human resources to make sure that it's entered into our time system, so they are going to be paid for it.
Much easier than the paperwork. You can use it for a lot of the safety programs that we have around here, what we call SMAT, which is a safety management audit tool. You can report near misses, you can do your forklift checklist, crane inspections.
We're able to put a name behind what's going wrong.
We have a uniform program. We can easily build the form inside of Connecteam, allow employees to select their shirt size, and then instantly export that out to an Excel spreadsheet.
It's been really cool to see them post pictures. A team at night, I'm gone, they're here, they do something awesome. I get up, I look at my phone, and I say, man, that's a great job.
The ease of just going in there and approving, PTOs and vacations, and just, for me, that's the biggest help.
I would definitely recommend Connecteam to other companies because I do believe it'll move the needle. It just makes it better.
In human resources, you're really involved in so many different things. You're involved in communications, you're involved in morale, and Connecteam really gives you every ability to do that. It's all in the app, and that's what makes it great.